Program-specific information is metadata about a program and part of an MPEG transport stream. The PSI data as defined by ISO IEC 13818-1 includes 4 tables: PAT, CAT, PMT, NIT. PSI is carried in the form of a table structure. Each table structure is broken into sections and can span multiple transport stream packets. Adaptation field also occurs in TS packets carrying PSI data. The PSI data will never be scrambled so that the decoder at the receiving end can easily identify the properties of the stream. The sections comprising the PAT and CAT tables are associated with predefined PIDs as explained in their respective descriptions below. There may be multiple independent PMT sections in a stream. Each section is given a unique user-defined PID and maps a program number to the metadata describing that program and the streams within it. PMT section PIDs are defined in the PAT, and are the only PIDs defined there. The streams themselves are contained in PES packets with user-defined PIDs specified in the PMT. PSI structure, table, descriptor, PAT. The PAT is assigned PID 0x0000 and table ID of 0x00. The transport stream contains at least one or more TS packets with PID 0x0000. Some of these consecutive packets form the PAT. At the decoder side, the PSI section filter listens to the incoming TS packets. After the filter identifies the PAT table, they assemble the packet and decode it. A PAT has information about all the programs contained in the TS. The PAT contains information showing the association of program map table PID and program number. The PAT should end with a 32-bit CRC, PMT. This table contains PID numbers of elementary streams associated with the program, and it has information about the type of these elementary streams. In addition, it may also contain an ECM stream for any other stream that is encrypted. These messages provide the information used in the cipher key selection stage. CAT. This table is used for conditional access management of the cipher keys used for decryption of restricted streams. This table contains privately defined descriptors of the system used and the associated MPID. These are used by a network provider to maintain regular key updates. The table ID value is 0x01. NIT. This optional table may group transport stream identifiers into a network, providing access parameters and other details. ITUT Rec. H222 and ISO IEC 13818-1 do not define the NIT structure. The European Broadcasting Union DVB specification ETSIEN 300-468 DOS. The purpose of mentioning but not defining this table in H222 is that it has reserved program number 0 in the PAT. The table ID extension is used to identify the local network together with a directory listing of transport streams. Descriptors are used to list the modulation, source of those streams and programs. The original network identifier is meant to allow transport streams and programs on foreign networks to be included in the local network, which allows no remapping of transport and program IDs that may be duplicated between networks. The DVB specification defines the transport packet identifier as 16 and the table identifier of the local network of transports as 64. A table identifier of 65 is for a foreign network of transports. The network identifiers are maintained via DVB services who have separated the identifiers into two unique, yet unnecessary groupings of network ID and original network ID. The two groupings have a large number of overlapping entries. PSI labels, table identifiers. Each table in a transport stream is identified by an 8-bit table identifier. Descriptor tags. Each descriptor in a transport stream table is identified by an 8-bit descriptor tag. Elementary stream types. Each elementary stream in a transport stream is identified by an 8-bit elementary stream type assignment. References: ABCD HTTP, www.ISO.org Catalog detail. number equals 44169 ISO IEC 13818-1 Information Technology Generic Coding of Moving Pictures and Associated Audio Information Systems, ABC http www.jdsucompeg2bk cab tme pdf, ETSIEN 300-468 Digital Video Broadcasting. Specification for Service Information in DVB Systems, External Links, DVB System Information Chart, MPEG-2 and DVB.